when you test any circuit physically with lumped element, means the discrete elements of a transistor, ICs, a resistance, capacitor, then this type of breadboard is required. So this is the temporary solution of circuit connection. Mind it that the breadboard is basically loose and you not get the proper output due to the loose connection. So keep in mind that you must check the circuit connection or properly connect the wires. So inside the breadboards there are aluminum or metal clips. So the body is basically high insulated plastic body and the inside is metal clips. Look at the few numbers are there, but in general purpose the breadboard this type of number and colors may not be there, but the configuration is same. So I start from this upper line. Look at this is the pair, this is 1 2 3 4 5 group, and in between that there is a cut. Okay, so again these are the 5. Similarly for this lower end, when you connect the wire of plus 5 voltage from plus 5 or 10 or 15 from your power supply, if you connect here at this pin, so this 5 volt is appear all the pins. Okay, these 5 volt appear in the all the lower lines. Okay, lower lines means you get 5 volt here, you maybe get 5 volt here, 5 volt here, but not the upper line and these lines, because these are the internally cut. And similarly you not get the any voltage anywhere except this line. So these line are internally connected. So if you want to get the 5 voltage in this branch, then you have to make connection between this point to this point, so that all lines are become 5 volt, okay, or 10 volt or 15 volt as per your desire. Similarly, if you want to get the positive voltage here, you may connect the positive voltage here. Okay, so this line also become 5 voltage. After making the internal connection between this line to this line, means you have to use the jumper wire and make the connection between this line and this line. Similarly, for minus voltage you can use this line or you may use this line. You remember one thing, that it's not mandatory to connect plus voltage here or connect minus voltage here. Okay, it is not mandatory, it depends on you. So if you put the minus here, then this line become the minus, this line become the minus, and plus here, this line become the plus. So please don't make the mistake that you connect the plus voltage here and minus voltage here, so it becomes the short circuit. So avoid this type of connection. Always remember that either you give the plus voltage here or give the minus voltage here. So make a habit that look at this plus minus, it is not mandatory. So you remember that I make this upper line as plus or lower line as minus. So as it is. So this series connection is, I hope that it's clear. Now for this line, look at, there is a big gap. So this gap is basically cut. It is used for IC integration. So you may connect the IC pin here and IC pin here. So look at this connection A, B, C, D, E. Somewhere it is written ABCD or the simple ABCD or simple anything. Forget about it. Okay. So remember, these lines are short. Means if you connect plus here, you get the plus voltage here. Okay, means these are the internally short. Or if you connect the resistance here, the value of the resistance you can take here. So this is the take away point. So these points are all short, but these are open. Means this point and this point is open. Okay, so there is no internal connection between this line to this line, but the all internal connection downwards. All internal connection downwards. So in this way, the breadboard is used for circuit making. Okay, for circuit testing. Since they are connected in very closely, it is not suitable for high frequency applications. But the normal application you can use, because high frequency applications, the capacitance effect may be involved, because you know that the in between two metal plate and the dielectric materials may act as the capacitance effect. So this is basically for low voltage, and the frequency is near about 1 megahertz. Up to is it depends on the manufacturing, that it is written that it support that this much of higher frequency range. अच्छा बहुत छोटा है.